Good morning, Center 2. So today we're going to be practicing capital letter L. Now remember, the capital letter L is on the last hardback cover of your spelling workout level D. You can go back there, you can see the letter L, and you can trace it over with your pencil to help you to get a better form of it. But I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it today. And today we're going to be using 3 lines. 1, 2, 3, because it's the first time we're doing it, right? So when you're practicing it for the first time, writing it bigger helps you to learn how to form it. And then when you're better at it, you can start using 2 lines, okay? So let's go ahead and begin. We're going to start on our second line, right? So find a spot in your second line, and then you're going to slant up to the top of the line. You're going to loop down, but you want to keep it on a slant. You reach to the bottom, you loop up, and you turk it around and you come out. So let's do that again. Find a spot on the second line, slant up, loop it around, slant down, up, around, and out. Let's try that one more time. Find the second line, slant up, take it around, slant down, reach the bottom of the line, and loop up, back around. Excellent. So go ahead, use 3 lines, skip a line like you're going to skip a space, and then you're going to come down here, slant up, down to the bottom of the line, loop up and around, and you give me 3 L's on each line. You skip one line, give me 3 L's. Now Center 2, if you're gonna send me work not following the instructions on how many you should do, I will ask you to do it again. I will not check it. I will send it right back and say do it over. So do it the correct way the first time, right? I want you to practice, so fill up 3 on each line using 3 lines and only skip 1 line and go ahead and do it on the other line. So fill up the page, do 1 page, and send me a picture. Bye.